Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. As you can see, I am pulled over and they are going to impound the mini quad. Don't ride ATVs on the street. They are not street legal at all, and this won't happen. But I mean, I bought it for $150. It was actually for my son, and I was going around the corner to like test it out, and I seen the Crown Vic over here. It was on the side of the road. Kept going, and then I made the left. I was going around the turn and thought I was gonna run, but I'm not gonna run on this little thing at all. I don't do the whole running thing. So it's like I stopped. They called a second officer. He explained that they were gonna impound the quad. I paid $150, so I'm definitely not going to go and pay to get it out of an impound or anything like that. But yeah, I mean, don't ride ATVs on the street. That's the best thing I could tell you. Or they can and will take your stuff, no matter the size, and be a lot smarter. If you guys are new to the channel and you want to see some more interesting content, subscribe. They can be interesting, but yeah, I mean, take it easy out there. Get paperwork for your machines. Don't ride them in the street. And if you do want to ride in the street, this is the gamble you take. So see you guys in the next one.